Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me, it's right over here. And that is, I believe, the default position of it. So for you, it should be basically at the same place. So anyway, once you find it, you do want to hold the toggle the first time around, just because this will give you access to the actual settings by you tap on here. And in the settings, you will be able to actually view the password that is randomly generated. So number one, password that is here, without looking in here, you won't know what it is. Number two, it is not the easiest thing to remember. So what I would recommend you to do is simply remove this one and set your own. Now your new password needs to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. And furthermore, you can go to the settings and customize them to your liking. As an example, AP band, you can choose 2.45 GHz if you want to. You can select to be a Wi-Fi 6 hotspot. Turn off hotspot automatically after a certain amount of time of inactivity, which I do recommend keeping actually on. And last option that I can change is things like the hotspot name. By default, it's just going to be always the name of the phone, so it's quite easy to actually remember. Once you went through all the settings right here that you wanted to change, you can toggle it on from here by tapping on this little toggle. It's network, okay. Will it actually turn on? There we go. So from here, or you can also toggle it on from your notification panel right over here. And same thing for turning off. You can tap on it. Let's try that again. There we go. So there we go. Turn it on and off from here without any additional steps. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.